everyone. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my European opening market comment for Friday, September 23rd. The currency markets have been pretty stable, all things considered. The dollar initially weakened following the FOMC meeting as traders focused on what the committee did, which was nothing, and their forecast for rates, which were lower. But then people noticed that the overall tone of their message was indeed more hawkish. So I'd say the verdict is that the committee's forecasts are lower, but investors think they're more likely to meet those forecasts than they were before. Previously, nobody believed that they would actually raise rates anywhere near to where they were forecasting, but now it seems possible. So the dollar rebounded a bit. The yen, on the other hand, lost some of the large gains that it made following the Bank of Japan meeting. Yesterday was a holiday in Tokyo, and so when people came back in this morning, they took their profits. The big trend in the financial markets now, though, is in the bond markets. Long bond yields have fallen sharply, and yield curves have flattened out following the Fed's lower estimate of what the long-term level of short-term interest rates, Fed funds, is likely to be. Today we get the other feature of the week, the preliminary market PMIs for the major Eurozone countries and the US. The Eurozone manufacturing PMI is expected to be slightly lower, while the US manufacturing PMI is expected to be unchanged. As you can see, the Eurozone PMI is being dragged down from both the core countries, where Germany's PMI has fallen the last 2 months, and France is still well below last March's level, and also the periphery, where growth remains more sluggish than in the core. One might expect a fall in the Eurozone PMIs and a stable US market PMI to result in a strengthening of the dollar. Over the medium term, there doesn't seem to be that much connection between the movement of the two, as the graph shows. But on the day, it is possible that sentiment does exert a pull on the currency, especially as the market now shifts to pondering a potential December rate rise. So we could see the euro weaken a bit and the dollar strengthen following the release of these figures. For an update on the indicators coming out this afternoon, please watch my North American opening market comment. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.